reveal.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Cranberries, chocolate. Welcome back to Bon Appetit, where we make all of your dreams in the kitchen come true. Come along with us this week because I'm going to reveal to you one of my secret recipes that is sought after by all of my family and friends and business associates. It is a guilt-free, easy power bar cookie. Step 1, get yourself some of all of this. Rolled oats, craisins, honey, peanut butter, egg, salt, baking soda. And of course I made time to sneak in a secret ingredient. Hey Carrie, why did the Oreo cookie go to the dentist?
Don't know.
Because it lost its filling. I know
Right?
that. I know how that works.
You know that filling?
Step 1 is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. After that, take your raw egg in a medium mixing bowl and
Crack it first.
release it. The reason we start with the egg is to make sure we didn't crack any shell into our bowl, or else you're risking that shell getting into your more expensive ingredients. I'm going to give this a scramble with a fork and then we'll get into it. Keep filming. Step 1 is a cup of peanut butter. I have this natural peanut butter where you gotta stir in the oils. And from what I can tell, that's 1 cup of peanut butter. To that, we're going to add half a cup of fresh local honey.
Because you have the recipe with honey instead of cane sugar,
Nope. You're going to add half a cup of honey.
but no cane sugar.
Nope.
Because this is like a power bar. What a cookie.
Honey has sugar, but it's the anti-glycemic sugar that your body naturally stabilizes the cell wall and
Blood
magnesium. And the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. We're using honey for this instead of granulated or brown sugar because it stabilizes your blood sugar levels for longer.
And like any recipe, you're going to need a couple of cranks of salt. You may be saying that's counterintuitive, but believe it or not,
The salt helps you taste the sugar better. Step 1 is going to be a half a teaspoon of baking soda, which should give these little power bar cookies a bit of lift. Now, step 1 is going to be to whisk all of those ingredients together. Come on, whisk it like you like it. To this, we're going to add at least 2 cups of our old-fashioned rolled oats. And I'm going to leave this bag of oats open because I think it's going to take a bit more. And my secret ingredient is fresh grated cinnamon. So I'm going to add this on top of those rolled oats. Flavor to your level of taste. To which we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of our cranberry raisins, our dried cranberries. Craisins. Now, step 1 is to mix all those together. Now would be the first time I thought of it. Are we adding chocolate chips, Carrie?
A few. It's a cookie.
Carrie reminded me that dark chocolate is loaded with magnesium, so there's no guilt involved in adding a bit of these. I've got about almost a half a cup of dark chocolate chips. And get those folded in as well. If that's too wet for you, just keep adding oats. I'm going to add another half a cup of oats.
Which is great for the blood sugar as well.
Which is great for the blood sugar as well. Because you're smarter than I am, I forgot to preheat my oven, but I'm just going to pop these in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes while the oven preheats, and we'll see you then. Step 1 is to set yourself up a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, a bowl of water, and I'm going to be using this ice cream scoop. The size that you make your cookies is entirely up to you, depending on if you want it to be a bite or a 2-bite, or if you want it to be even a meal replacement. You could make them large enough. You could make them in a bar shape. You could make them in a biscuit shape. I'm just gonna make maybe some 2 or 3 bite cookies out of this. Now, this is such a sticky cookie recipe that we're going to dip our ice cream scooper in water. Take about, I'd say that much. Boom, right on the paper. We're gonna re-wet our scooper. And try to do that again. That one's gonna be a little smaller, but if I tuck in the edge, and I'm very serious about using water. If you're gonna touch this stuff with your fingers, get your fingers wet first. Oh my gosh. I like these big cookies. Let's do like this Whopper.
Yeah, 'cause it could be like a quick breakfast or like a snack midday.
It could be a meal replacement.
Yeah,
Instead of, don't go to Smoothie King, make yourself some of these. Now, when you shape these for baking, they're going to maintain their shape really well. My point is, if you want bars, now would be the time to make them bars. If you want coins, now would be the time to make them coins. But I want these drop biscuit shaped cookies just like that. So you'll see it took about half of my dough to make these 6 medium to large sized cookies. So these are going to go into our 350-degree oven for 9 to 12 minutes. I'll start looking at them at 9 minutes and they'll certainly be done by 12. As soon as they start to get a little dark brown around the edges, you want to pull them out. Hey Carrie, so I entered the cookie eating competition, and do you know what they had me do?
No.
Sign a wafer of responsibility. I had to sign a wafer. Let's see how we did. This is what I meant when I said the edges and the tops start to turn a darker brown. Let's just go ahead and get these into a safe place to cool off. We're gonna set those, let those cool for about 5 minutes. Step 1, the reveal.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Cranberries,
Nice.
chocolate, oats. Oh, we should have put some almonds. Step 1, I'm going in. Oh, wow. These cookies have the power of oats and the strength of honey. And right at the end, you get a little sweet and tangy from those chocolate chips and cranberry bits. As always, this has been Bon Appetit. Feel free to like, subscribe, please share us around, leave any recipes you'd like to see us make in the comments below, and God bless. Hey Carrie, what's the Cookie Monster's favorite Pink Floyd song?
I don't know.
Comfortably nom 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 nom.
That's cute.
Comfortably nom. Hey Carrie, so I entered the cookie eating competition, and do you know what they made me did?
What?
Do?
Huh?
Ow, you wipe my brow.
I'm thinking about that lasagna you made. Come on now. Alright.
Release it into. Don't forget that. That's step 2. We're not there yet. I'm going to give this a scramble with a fork, and then we'll get what's done, Bun.
Oh, I'm hangry. I'm waiting for your lasagna.
I can't work under these conditions.
Okay, let's rapido.
Step 1.
What?
I got an oat in my throat.
Oh gosh.